Welcome to Hatter House.
Hey everyone, it's me and Penny. And Josh is hanging out, even though it's not his type of video. But look at her, she's just smiling. We were just playing, and she was loving it, and she saw I was doing a video, and she's like, "Yep, I need to be here." She doesn't even know what the video is about, but hey, you know. Okay, so the video is about the last Ipsy bag ever. The March is my last Ipsy. And not just my last Ipsy, everybody's last Ipsy. Because Ipsy has combined with BoxyCharm, I think. So now they're like, it's called the Icon Box, or I don't know. But I can't keep up. But yeah, so goodbye, Ipsy. Thanks for the memories. Okay, sorry, it's not a bark box. She's like, oh man. But you know what? You know what I have? I have one of these. Here you go. And for everyone who's wondering, it's this cranberry relief. It's to help, you know. You know. So yeah, okay. It comes in this cute little bag. Check that out. Ah, the light's really bright. Maybe I should turn it down. Let's see how much that helps. It's a little dark. Oh well. No. There we go. So I don't know if you can see. It's like a little Greek goddess. It probably comes with a card inside of it. It explains it. You know, I was going to do this all organized like, and then just life happened, and I'm like, oh my gosh. March is almost over. I need to get this filmed for Thursday. And then Friday is going to be my vlog and my weigh-in mixed in together, since it's the last day of the month, and that's when I do my weigh-ins. So, let's see. Step into your power. March 2023. This month is an all-out celebration of women's empowerment. As your biggest allies on this journey to self-expression and confidence, we're giving you everything you need to embrace your unique beauty, from feel-good beauty routines, a community of inspired women cheering you on along the way, because when women come together, we're not just powerful, we're unstoppable. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. Slay your arch enemies. Yeah. Eyes on the prize. Let's see. Stuff about your eyebrows. And then it tells you to check out your Ipsy bag, which I could. But okay, introducing Icon Box. Glam Bag X will now be called Icon Box. Okay. So, the big one's going to be the Icon Box. Not sure what the medium one's going to be. So, okay, let's see. What do we have? This one is Hydrating Daily Mask and Conditioner. I picked this one out because y'all know I love the hair products, especially like dry shampoos and anything that helps my hair get healthy. This ultra rich conditioning mask will leave your hair looking and feeling healthy, shiny, and silky. So I'm gonna see. Do you leave it in or apply evenly from links to end? Leave in for 5 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Okay. So, for your mask, you apply generously to scalp to ends, comb through, leave in for 5 minutes or up to 30 minutes, and rinse well with cool water. Use once or twice weekly for maximum effort. So, if you see my hair starting to look awesome, because I'm going to be using this whole bottle. Yeah. Let's see, what else do we have? Okay, Ren Evercare Barrier Support Elixir. Clean Surface Care. I don't think I picked this one out. I think this is... I'm not even sure what it is or what it does. So, this is probably going to be going on eBay. Unless somebody here wants to hit me
I
up.
haven't heard anything in the last minute. But you...
Alexa, how rude.
Yeah.
She's interrupting me. So anyways, if you know, I'll putting it on eBay unless somebody else wants to get it. I usually sell them pretty cheap, so you know, I look at the price and usually give it like a half price discount. Let's see, and then we have body lotion. This I did pick out as well. So listen to those two. Because you know what? I love lotions. I have lots of lotions, but you can never have too many. So, and this is aromatic musk and coconut. Let's see. Oh, that's good. It smells really, really soft. Kind of like, not quite baby powder, like a cocoa butter. What do you think of that one?
Yeah.
You like that?
Smells pretty good.
Can I wear that one around you?
Real calm.
It smells like cocoa butter. Let's see. I mean, that's probably the coconut. Liquid Farrah 18-hour liquid eyeliner. I have a lot of liquid eyeliner, so I will be also doing this one on eBay. Or keeping it for a giveaway, I'm not sure. You know, like eventually I'm going to be doing more giveaways. So, these two are on the not keep. And then this one, I'm not sure. Let's see. It's eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Best Dress Lids. Let's see. I think it says Mally. Neutrals and bolds, 14 matte and shimmering eyeshadows. And I think the brand is Mally. So, let's see. Ooh, it comes with a little mirror. And then these are the colors. And the reason I said I'm not sure is because I believe a friend of mine already called dibs on this one. So, those blues are really nice. The rest of them I already have in other palettes. But they're very beautiful colors, and actually that purple's kind of, it's like a mauve. I don't know, I'm not good with colors. So, yeah. So this is what was in the last Ipsy box. I think it was worth it. I don't know the exact prices, but I'm sure this at least was the same price as the bag. So, really excited to try that hair mask. And I'm really, really excited about the lotion because it smells really good and soft. And Penny's just excited to see herself on camera. Huh? You're a star. I'm a star. Sorry. I don't even know what that's from. Does anyone know? Like that TikTok sound? I'm a star. Why are you looking at me like that? Mom, you need help. I do actually. I need to call my therapist or that new place she's with and see if I can finally make an appointment. It should have been long enough where I can call and make an appointment. So I'll fix that in a little later. So yeah, that is the last Ipsy bag. I'm keeping this out. Put it with my lotions. So yeah, I think it's about time I do call my therapist. I have a lot to talk about. It's been a crazy month. But we'll cover that on the blog Friday. So, it's just... Okay, come here, Penny. Come here. Come here. Oh, okay. High five. High five. Oh. Penny says bye. Look at her. Oh, she's so cute. She's staring at herself. Say bye. Okay, bye. Laters.